Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can unlock your phone with a voice command. To do this, open your iPhone settings, then tap on Accessibility, Voice Control, enable Voice Control, and tap on Customize Commands. Create a new command, and type the phrase that you're going to use to unlock your phone. For this example, I'm going to use unlock phone. Then tap on Action, run custom gesture, and tap the PIN code that you use to unlock your phone. Tap on Stop and Save. Tap on Save again. That's how you can create a voice command to unlock your phone with voice. Thank you for watching this video. Unlock phone.